In today's video, I'm going to be celebrating by thanking all of you guys for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And even if you're not subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you for taking the time to leave comments on my videos. Whether you're thanking me or whether you're telling me that something didn't work, this also helps me to find more solutions and bring out more videos for you guys. So comments are very, very important to me. I read every single one of them and I try to reply to every single one of them too. I wish I could include every single comment here, but do feel free to go check out the rest of the comments left on my videos. And if you're interested in creating a community, you should definitely get in touch with some of these amazing content creators. I want to give a huge shout out to Zaini Zara's World, who have supported me on one of my other brand channels, but have continued to support me on this channel, and the same goes for Katie's Corner. Unfortunately, they have been hit hard by copper, and you guys should definitely check out their channels if you're interested in kids content. Thank you to all of these guys for leaving comments on my video about timestamps and video chapters not working. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll leave a link in the description below. Again, thank you to all my subscribers. If your name is not shown on the list here, it's either because your channel is set to private or there are some restrictions on your account. And I'm certain there are a lot more of you out there because my subscriber list only shows around 270 names or so. So if your name is not included on the list here and you are subscribed to my channel, a huge thank you to you guys too. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to catch you in the next video.